Hello, this is Trigonometry lesson 2.1. In this, I will discuss questions based on trigonometric identities. I hope you have learned the trigonometric identities. Now you have to treat this video lesson as a online practice test. You have to first solve each and every question that comes on your screen first by yourself. Then look at the way I have solved. So first question number 1 I am going to discuss is 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. This is you need to find. This would be how much. What is given to you that A plus B is 45. This A plus B total angle is 45. You need to find the value of 1 plus tan A or 1 plus tan B. Please try to solve yourself, then look at the way I have solved. Now in this kind of question, either you can solve by concept, you can solve this question by concept, or by assumption method. Assuming something. See, while assumption you have to be very careful that A plus B angle is 45 degree total angle. You should not violate any condition. So best method to solve this question is by assumption. You can assume that A is 0 or B is 45 degree. A angle is 0 degree, B angle is 45 degree. So what will you get? This is tan 0 1 plus tan 45. This is what we need to calculate. This is 1, tan 0 is 0, tan 45 is 1, so answer is 2. You can solve this question in 10 seconds. Put A 0, B 45 or 45, 0, whatever one, answer will still be the same. By concept, how can you solve this question by concept? This is what you need to calculate, 1 plus tan A or 1 plus tan B. A plus B is given to you as 45 degree. Apply tan both sides. Tan A plus B will be equals to tan 45. This is equals to 1. What is tan A plus B? I told you this is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. This will be equals to 1. So from here you can get that tan A plus tan B, this will be equals to 1 minus tan A tan B, and this is what we will put in our main equation. That is what we need to calculate. The main equation was we need to find the value of 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B. If you open this, multiply this, you will get 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B. Now what I will do, I will put the value of tan A plus B. This value I will put tan A plus B from here. From here I will put the value of this. So 1 plus, what is the value of tan A plus B? This is equals to 1 minus tan A tan B. I put the value of this from the one equation. Tan A plus tan B was 1 minus tan A tan B plus tan A tan B. This was there. So this and this will get cancelled out. Your answer will still be 2. But this is a conceptual method. The best method was to solve this question in 10 seconds was you can assume A as 0, B as 45. So tan 45 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 into 1. 2 is your final answer. So more objective is that you have to solve the question in least possible time. And you can use various methods. You can use concept, you can use your logic, you can use assumption. Question 2 is find the value of tan 22.5. Now please try to solve yourself, then look at the way I have solved. Now if you assume this as theta is equals to 22.5, we need to find tan theta. But we don't know the value of angle 22.5 because we learned the values of 30, 45, 60, but we have not learned the value of 22.5. So I will convert this question into theta into form of 2 theta. Because theta is 22.5, then 2 theta would be 45 degree, whose value I know for each and every trigonometric function. So tan theta, you know that this is equal to sin theta over cos theta. This is I need to find. Now can I say this can be written as sin square theta upon cos square theta whole square root. Same thing, if you take the square root, it will be sine theta by cos theta. Now sine square theta, how can I relate it to two theta values? Now I told you in the basic we know that cos 2 theta was cos theta plus theta, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, that was cos square theta minus sin square theta. If you put cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta, you will left with 1 minus 2 sin square theta. From here I will get sin square theta will be equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. If you rearrange this, you will get this. So I am putting sin square theta would be 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Why I am converting into 2 theta form? Because I know when theta is 22.5, 2 theta would be 45, and I know the value of 45 for each and every trigonometric function. Same way, if you can write cos 2 theta as sin square theta is cos square theta minus 1, you will get 2 cos square theta minus 1. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. If you put, you will get 2 cos square theta minus 1. So your cos square theta would be 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Put this 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, but you are left with 1 minus cos 2 theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta. So in all such question where theta is less and we don't know the value, you have to convert into 2 theta or 4 theta. Now we know the value of theta was 22.5, so 2 theta would be 45. So 1 minus cos 45, 1 plus cos 45. You know that this is cos 45 is 1 by root 2. This is plus. So solving this, you will get root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1 whole square root. Now you can rationalize this, root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1, multiply and divided by the number so that we can rationalize the denominator. So it will be root 2 minus 1 whole square in the numerator. Denominator, this is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 2 minus 1, 1. So your final answer will be root 2 minus 1. This is how you can calculate the value of tan 22.5. So tan 22.5 is root 2 minus 1. The only thing is that you don't need to cram any formula. You only know that cos a plus b, what is the co-value of cos a plus b. In exam, you can solve this question in around 2 minutes, and that will be the time given to you. Question 3 is theta lies between 0 and 45. You need to find the value of this. Please try to solve yourself by pausing the video, then look at the way I have solved. Now we know that cos 2 theta is equals to cos theta plus theta, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. You will get cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now we need to simplify this. By common sense, this must be a perfect square. This entire must be a perfect square so that we can easily find its square root. That is the common sense that you need to apply for each and every question. This inner value 2 plus 2 cos theta must be such that we can easily find the square root, and we can easily find the square root of perfect square numbers. So we have to convert into a perfect square. Now cos 2 theta, can I say if you put sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, you will get 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now if you put the value of this, we have 2 cos 2 theta. So 2 cos 2 theta would be how much? Multiplied both sides by 2. This will be 4 cos square theta. 4 cos square theta minus 2. So I am putting the value of 2. This is 2. This is 2 will be as it is. I am putting the value of 2 cos 2 theta. This will be 4 cos square theta minus 2. Now 2 and 2 you can see that get cancel out, but I will get the perfect square. 2 plus, now 4 cos square theta. Its square root would be 2 cos theta. So I have simplified this. I am left with 2 cos theta. Now I told you that once you calculate the for double angle, you can always calculate for half angle. Now 2 cos 2 theta is 4 cos square theta. If we make the angle half both sides, 2 cos theta, rather than 2 theta I am taking angle theta. So here the angle will also become half, 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 2. No difference will be in the coefficient, only you know that angle on the right hand side is half of on the left hand side. So it was 2 theta, here it was theta. So if you make the angle half, it will half, you have to do angle half both side. Now you can simply, this is 2 cos theta is 4 cos square theta by 2 minus 2. Again 2 and 2 got cancel out. You only left with 2 plus 2 cos theta by 2. Again you need to use this very concept. Again made angle half. 2 cos theta by 2 will be equals to 4 cos square theta by 4 minus 2. I have done the angle half both side. I made theta by 2. I made theta by 2 as theta by 4. So this is 2 plus 2 cos theta by 2. You can put this cos square, 4 cos square theta by 4 minus 2. 2 and 2 got cancel out. Square root of this would be, you only left with square root of 4 cos square theta by 4. So this is 2 cos theta by 4 will be your final value. That's the best way to solve this question. If you take any assumptions, it will be very lengthy. So only thing is that the basic concept, if you are clear, you can easily solve this kind of question. All the 3 questions on this lesson are very important. I will continue with more questions in the next lesson. Thank you.